Imagine this. Alarms ringing, the plane shaking. Thai Airways Flight 365 ignores 17 slowdown alerts before it falls into the Andaman Sea, taking 83 lives in an instant. How could experienced pilots miss every single warning? And why was another plane, a Dragonair 737, so close by at that crucial moment? Let's find it out. It's 10 p.m. at Hat Yai International Airport. Thai Airways Flight 365 is being prepared for its next flight. Passengers are boarding, luggage is being loaded, and the plane is being refueled. In the cockpit, Captain Vishanit Ampawat and the first officer settle into their seats. It's supposed to be a simple flight, a routine 1.5-hour hop to Phuket. The captain has flown this route many times before, and the first officer is experienced, though less familiar with the Boeing 737. But tonight, something feels different. Aircraft and Crew Thai Airways Flight 365 is a Boeing 737-200, registration HSTBC, built in 1980. The aircraft has 16,963 flight hours and has been reliable for Thai Airways with no history of mechanical issues. In the cockpit, Captain Vishanit Ampawat, 53 years old, has 19,538 flight hours, including 5,576 hours on the Boeing 737. Beside him, the 37-year-old first officer has 5,951 flight hours in total, but only 156 hours, and lacks familiarity with the 737's automated systems. He's more experienced with smaller planes and still getting used to the 737's automation and slowdown alerts. It's evening at Hat Yai International Airport. The weather is clear with no sign of turbulence in the skies. The air is warm, typical for southern Thailand, and the runway is calm, ready for takeoff. Passengers get on Thai Airways Flight 365, walking through the terminal with their luggage in hand. The ground crew puts the bags into the cargo hold while the plane is refueled, getting ready for the flight. In the cockpit, Captain Vishanit Ampawat and the first officer prepare for the flight. The captain reviews the flight plan, ensuring the route is clear and there are no issues with air traffic. Medical reports for the crew are checked. Both pilots are in good health, ready for the 1.5-hour journey. They double-check the mechanical status of the aircraft, confirming that everything is in order. The maintenance report clears the plane for flight with no major issues. The weather report for Hat Yai International Airport is favorable, with clear skies and light winds. The runway conditions are ideal for takeoff, and the aircraft is cleared for departure. With the preparations complete, the pilots settle into their seats. The first officer runs through the checklist one final time, while the captain watches the activity outside. Everything is set. The plane is ready to depart, and the journey to Phuket International Airport is about to begin. At the same time, Dragonair Flight 203, another Boeing 737, takes off from Hong Kong International Airport, heading toward Phuket. This adds more traffic in the airspace as both planes are now on their way to the same destination. Two aircraft head toward their destination. The sky remains clear, but the tension in the air is mounting. The radio crackles to life as Thai Airways Flight 365 and Dragonair Flight 203 both make their way to Phuket. A call received from Phuket Tower. Thai 365, Dragonair 203, confirm your current position and intentions. Traffic is heavy. Thai Airways captain. It's Thai 365, we're 25 miles out, preparing to descend. All systems are normal. Dragonair first officer. Dragonair 203, 30 miles out, ready for descent. Please confirm clearance. ATC. Thai 365, Dragonair 203, we have your positions. Thai 365, you're cleared for descent. But Dragonair 203, you need to hold for 10 minutes. Thai 365, are you able to expedite your approach? Thai Airways captain. Negative Phuket, we are already beginning our descent, cannot expedite further, will need priority landing. ATC. Understood. Thai 365, descend to 5,000 feet. Dragonair 203, hold at 10,000 feet. Maintain visual separation. Repeat, maintain visual separation. ATC. Thai 365, Dragonair 203, you're 5 miles apart. Thai 365, reduce speed to 180 knots. Dragonair, hold position for 5 more minutes. There's a risk of collision. Repeat, risk of collision. Please respond. Thai Airways Captain Phuket. Thai 365, we are 180 knots and descending to 5,000 feet. Please confirm traffic information. ATC. Thai 365, Dragonair 203, you must separate. There is a risk of collision. Immediate action required. Thai 365, Dragonair 203, we've got a problem. You're too close. Thai 365, you're cleared to land, but Dragonair, hold at 15,000 feet. Thai 365, accelerate to avoid conflict. Thai Airways Captain. Phuket, Thai 365, we're already descending. We're not in a position to accelerate further. We need to land soon. Dragonair First Officer. Phuket, Dragonair 203 holding at 15,000 feet, but Thai 365 is descending right into our path. This is too close. ATC Thai 365, Dragonair 203, new instructions. Thai 365, maintain 4,000 feet immediately. Dragonair, you need to hold at 12,000 feet. You're descending too fast. Thai 365, maintain speed at 160 knots. Thai Airways, Captain Phuket. Thai 365, we are at 5,000 feet. We can't slow down anymore. Dragonair is in the way. We need immediate clearance for landing. Dragonair Captain Phuket. Dragonair 203, we're holding at 12,000 feet, but Thai 365 is coming in fast. We can't keep this separation. ATC Thai 365, Dragonair 203, you need to separate. Thai 365, go around. Dragonair, continue holding at 10,000 feet. There's no time. Go around now. Thai Airways Captain. Go around. We're already descending. We're too close to the ground to go around. Dragonair First Officer. This is insane. We can't go up and down like this. We'll crash into each other. If you're enjoying the content, subscribing is an easy way to get a new video every time. ATC Thai 365, Dragonair 203, you are both in a critical situation. Thai 365, you need to abort your approach now. Dragonair, you must go higher immediately. There's no time to waste. Thai Airways Captain. We can't go around now. We're too low. This is it? Dragonair Captain, we're too close, Phuket. We're in the middle of a disaster. ATC Thai 365, Dragonair 203, abort. You are on a collision course. There's no time for anything else. Abort. ATC Thai 365, Dragonair 203, you are both converging. Thai 365, you're ahead in position. Dragonair, you must hold at 10,000 feet longer. Thai Airways Captain. Phuket, Thai 365, are you sure? We're already descending. We can't climb back up now. We are too close to the ground. Dragonair Captain. What do you mean Thai 365 is ahead? We're closer to the airport. We need to land first. ATC Thai 365, you need to go around now. Dragonair, do not descend further. Maintain 10,000 feet. Thai 365, you must clear the runway. Thai Airways Captain. We can't. We're too close. We'll crash if we don't land. We've been cleared. We are too low. Dragonair's path is in the way. This can't be happening. Dragonair First Officer Phuket. Dragonair 203, this is madness. Thai 365 is coming to us. We need more time. We can't go any higher. ATC Thai 365, Dragonair 203, you are dangerously close. Thai 365, reduce speed to 140 knots. Now. Thai Airways Captain. We are already too slow. We can't slow down anymore. If we don't land now, we won't have enough runway. Dragonair Captain. We can't hold any longer. Thai 365 is descending into our flight path. Why are we not given priority? ATC Thai 365, Dragonair 203, this is a priority emergency. Thai 365 must clear the runway. Dragonair, hold your position at 9,000 feet. You must maintain separation immediately. ATC Thai 365, Dragonair, you must separate now. ATC Thai 365, Dragonair 203, you need to clear the path. Immediate separation. Thai Airways Captain. Phuket, Thai 365, we're trying to adjust. Just give us a moment. ATC Thai 365, Dragonair, immediate separation now. You're both in danger. Dragonair First Officer. Phuket, we can't hold this much longer. We're too close. Both planes are too close. Thai Airways Captain. Just hold on. We're coming in, Phuket. We're descending already. ATC Thai 365, Dragonair 203, immediate action needed. The traffic is too close. Thai Airways First Officer. Captain, we're dropping speed. We can't maintain this rate of descent. We're dangerously low. He reaches for the throttle, trying to correct, but the confusion from the other plane distracts him. Thai Airways Captain, still distracted, looking out the window. I see Dragonair up ahead. Keep your eyes on the instruments. We have to clear the path. ATC Thai 365, you are descending too quickly. Dragonair, hold at 9,000 feet. Thai 365, speed up or you will stall. ATC Thai 365, you are too close to the ground. Dragonair, hold your position. Thai 365, do you have control? Thai Airways Captain. We're struggling, we're too low. He makes a quick adjustment to the throttle, but it's too late. His hands shake as the aircraft is now dangerously close to a stall. ATC, Thai 365, Dragonair 203, you're in danger. Thai 365, you're not maintaining altitude. Thai Airways captain, we're too low, I can't slow down anymore. We have to clear Dragonair's path. We have no choice. He pulls back on the yoke, trying to arrest the descent, but the airspeed continues to fall. Thai Airways captain, we're too low, I can't slow down anymore. We have to clear Dragonair's path. We have no choice. Thai Airways first officer, Captain, airspeed's too low. We're going to stall. We need to increase the throttle now. Thai Airways captain, I can't go around now. We're too close to the runway. The captain pushes forward on the throttle, trying to regain airspeed, but the stall warning continues. Thai Airways captain, come on, come on. We're not gonna make it if we don't recover this now. The stall warning plays louder and the shaking continues. The plane shudders violently as the engines try to regain power. Thai Airways first officer, we're going to stall. We need more speed. Pull back on the yoke. We're losing control. ATC, Thai 365, Dragonair 203, immediate action required. You are both on collision course. You must separate now. Thai Airways captain, come on, we have to recover now, please. He pushes the throttle even further, trying to regain lost speed. Thai Airways first officer, Captain, gear retraction. We need to retract the landing gear. We can't let it drag us down. Thai Airways captain, we're not pulling out of this. We're not gaining enough speed. The engine noise increases in pitch, but the stall warning is constant. The aircraft continues its uncontrolled descent. Thai Airways first officer, we're going to hit. We can't recover. We're too low. Thai Airways captain, I can't believe this is happening. Not like this. Thai 365, Dragonair, immediate action now. Thai 365, you must recover. You must. The transmission is cut off as the sound of the aircraft's crash drowns out everything. The aircraft slams into the Andaman Sea with a deafening roar. The plane disintegrates upon impact, sending a massive splash of water and debris high into the air. Suddenly, we heard some bad news on TV. Add news reporter voice in TV breaking news. Thai Airways Flight 365, which tragically crashed into the Andaman Sea, has been confirmed. All 83 people on board have lost their lives. The investigation is underway as we try to understand the cause of this horrific event. Investigation begins right after the crash of Thai Airways Flight 365. Investigators get to work. They look closely at everything: the flight data, the cockpit recordings, and the black box. They need to understand what went wrong, and they start putting the pieces together. The first thing they find is that the pilots are distracted. There's confusion in the cockpit. Air traffic control gives conflicting instructions, and the pilots focus too much on Dragonair Flight 203, which is also nearby. As a result, they miss important warnings about their speed. As the plane descends, the speed starts dropping too low. The stall warning light comes on, and the stick shaker begins to sound. But the pilots don't react fast enough. The black box data shows they don't adjust the throttle in time. They're too focused on the other plane and don't manage the speed properly. At the same time, the two planes are getting too close. Air traffic control tells the pilots to descend, but they don't have enough space between them and Dragonair. The planes are too close, and with the confusion in the cockpit, they miss the opportunity to safely separate them. The investigation finds three main problems. First, the confusion caused by conflicting instructions. Second, the pilots didn't manage the speed correctly. And third, the planes were too close to each other. All of these mistakes happen together, and the crash becomes unavoidable. The pilots couldn't recover in time because they were too distracted and didn't pay attention to the stall warning. These findings shock everyone in aviation. While it's clear there isn't just one thing that caused the crash, the investigation shows the need for better communication between air traffic control and the pilots, better management of speed, and more focus on keeping planes far enough apart in busy airspace. The lessons learned from this tragedy will help prevent something like this from happening again. What do you think are the most important lessons we can learn from this tragedy? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's start a conversation about how we can make aviation safer for everyone. Share the vision, spread awareness,